Hi everyone, Grace here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Speak All tool on Snap and Read. So I already have Snap and Read turned on. You can tell because I have my toolbar up on the right hand side of my screen. And the Speak All tool is this first one at the top. It looks like a microphone, and you're going to want to click it. You'll know it's on because it turns blue, and then your cursor will also turn into a little microphone. So this is a really cool feature. Basically, it's going to read to you the text that's on any given web page. So I'm on this Time for Kids site about the moon mission. And if I want it to start reading to me, I'll scroll down here and click on the word I want it to start at, and it'll begin reading.
People first set foot on the moon on July 20, 1969.
And as you can see, it highlights the word as it reads it, so you can see how each word sounds as it goes. And when you want it to stop reading, like I did, all you have to do is click again. And to turn it off, you just come up to the top and click that icon again, and everything's back to normal. So really simple and really easy.